Hi and welcome to WonderWild again, where I'm in the garden on a beautiful sunny evening. And if I'm very quiet, I can hear lots of birds singing. Now I really like wildlife and I want to encourage some more wildlife and birds into my garden. So I'm going to make some bird cakes. Before I do, don't forget to like us, subscribe to our channel and see our other videos. What am I going to use? I've got margarine, I've got some peanut butter, some banana and some birdseed, and I'm just going to mix them all together. Lots of these in my garden, pine cones, so I've decided to use these, and I put the string on first because it's easier to put it on first than to put it on afterwards because it's very messy. I'm going to make some more of these. I'm going to hang them up in my garden and I'm going to keep an eye on all the birds that come. You could try this, and you could try keeping a note of what kind of birds you see in your garden. I definitely have a robin in my garden that's going to enjoy this. I've just seen a little robin on my bird feeder. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!